Have you ever wondered how history shapes who we are? History isn't just dates and events, it influences our identity, our society, and even our choices today. Let's explore this powerful connection. History deeply impacts our personal and collective identities. Nations and communities share stories from the past. These stories celebrate achievements and struggles. They create feelings of pride and belonging. But history can also divide. Some narratives can exclude or oppress others. Understanding this dual role is crucial. Historians must examine how narratives serve specific interests. They must challenge biased or selective histories. This approach helps us grasp the complex nature of historical narratives. Now, consider how history relates to our present. History isn't just academic, it shapes our actions today. As historian Carr noted, history helps us understand current issues. It shows how our present is rooted in the past. This connection between past and present is dynamic. Our current concerns shape how we view history. Similarly, our understanding of history informs how we see our present. This interplay is what keeps history relevant and vital. Lastly, let's discuss history's role in citizenship. Knowledge of history is crucial for informed citizens. In democracies, people face complex decisions. Issues like war, economics, and social justice all have historical roots. Ignorance of history leads to uninformed choices. When citizens understand history, they can evaluate claims intelligently. They recognize how present circumstances came to be. This awareness helps them envision alternative futures. To summarize, history profoundly shapes our identities, informs our actions, and equips us for responsible citizenship. It is a vital tool for understanding ourselves and our world. So, what can you do now? Start exploring your history. Read books, watch documentaries, or engage in conversations. History awaits. Dive in and discover your identity.